Afternoon, Rattrap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to teach you how to make mac and cheese, mom style. You're going to need 1 package of elbow macaroni, 3½ cups of milk, whole milk is best, 1/3 cup butter, 1/3 cup flour, cheese, and fresh parsley chopped finely. For cheese today, I'm using 6 ounces of mild cheddar and 6 ounces of mozzarella, and then I'm also adding about 1 ounce of this aged Gouda. It's very pungent, very strong, so you want to keep that very small amount. And then top it off with Panko breadcrumbs on top. Boil water and a little salt in your water. Add the elbow macaroni to it once it comes to a boil. Bring it to a boil and boil for about 8 minutes. When your macaroni is finished boiling, and again you want it al dente because you are going to bake it in the oven, you drain it back to the stove top. Add your butter. Preheat your oven at 300. Once your butter is melted, add your flour, 1/3 cup flour, and some salt, about a teaspoon, maybe a little less, and some pepper, about a teaspoon, maybe a little less, and stir that up. And slowly add your milk. And turn your heat up a little so you can get it warm. And you want to heat this up, bring it to a boil, just to a boil. Not a rapid boil, just to a boil, and boil it for 1 minute. Okay, your milk, butter, flour, salt and pepper mixture has boiled now for 1 minute. We're going to add the cheese. And you're going to turn your temp off at first. We may turn it up a little bit. Gotta get it all melted. Really, any kind of cheese, it works. I like the mozzarella because it melts nice. I like the cheddar because of the flavor. And then I add just a little bit of another kind of cheese. Something a little stronger, sharper. Your temp is off, but you can still have it on. And you're just stirring to get it all melted. And then you're going to add your parsley and your noodles. And stir. And you're going to pour it into a 2-quart casserole dish. Sprinkle with Panko breadcrumbs. This is great comfort food and perfect for New Year's Eve because it goes well with steak and lobster tail. You can put it in the oven. Bake at 300 until you're ready to serve it. Anywhere from 10 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on how long it takes you to make all your other food. And that's it. Easy bake mac and cheese from Rattrap Productions, where we teach you how to do stuff.